In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate stunning images in Leonardo AI with ChatGPT or Gemini prompts. By the end, you'll confidently move from a blank canvas to polished AI images using a clear, repeatable setup. First, open Leonardo AI in your browser. Once you're on the platform, head straight to the Images section. This is where all the creative controls live, and it's the best place to set up your generation before you write or paste your prompt. Now choose your model, style, image dimensions, and the number of images you want generated. Think of the model as the engine behind the look you'll get. Some models are great for photorealism, others excel at illustrations, anime, or concept art. If you're unsure, start with a general purpose model and note how it interprets your prompt. Style adds a layer of direction on top of the model. You can guide the output towards cinematic, painterly, minimalist, or highly detailed looks. It's a helpful way to nudge the model toward a consistent aesthetic. Next, set your image dimensions. Square is a safe default for most platforms, while portrait works well for posters or mobile-first visuals, and landscape is ideal for banners or wide scenes. Larger dimensions can reveal more detail, but they may take longer to render. For the number of images, pick how many variations you want in one go. If you're exploring ideas, a small batch helps you iterate quickly. If you already have a clear vision, generating more at once lets you compare subtle differences. With your settings ready, get a prompt generated from ChatGPT or Gemini. Ask for a concise, descriptive prompt that includes the subject, composition, lighting, mood, color palette, and any key stylistic cues. For example, you might request a structured prompt that mentions environment, camera angle, texture, and level of realism. Keep it specific but not cluttered. The goal is to give the model clear guidance without conflicting instructions. Copy the prompt and paste it into the prompt box in Leonardo AI. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will process your request and return your images based on the model, style, dimensions, and the prompt you provided. Give it a moment to render. As results appear, take a careful look at how the model interpreted your directions. If the images match your intent, you're done. If not, you can fine-tune your settings or refine the prompt wording and generate again until the style and details feel right. That's the complete workflow. Go to Leonardo AI, open images, set model, style, dimensions, and image count, use a prompt from ChatGPT or Gemini, click Generate, and you're done.